Did you know that Amazon sells its own products on Amazon? Why is it important for you to know what products Amazon is selling, and how can that help you find a best-selling product for you to sell on Amazon? All of this information and so much more in this video, so let's get started. Amazon doesn't only own the platform, but they also sell products on Amazon. Now, how Amazon sells products is basically divided into two separate sections. First of all, section number one, the Amazon brands. And one of the most recognized brands that Amazon sell is Amazon Basics. Those are products that are being manufactured by Amazon, 100% owned by Amazon, and sold by Amazon on the Amazon platform. I love looking at brands that are owned by Amazon because mostly if Amazon has selected to manufacture and sell those products, you better know that there is a lot of demand for these particular products. However, it is slightly harder to compete with Amazon products because they have the advantage of the brand name and they have the advantage of all of the data that's under their fingertips. But Amazon also, section number two, operates as a seller. So Amazon purchases products from recognized brands and sells them on the website. And this is where you can find really interesting products that you can compete against. They don't have the Amazon brand. They are recognized brands, but there is still enough demand for you to find something that you can sell. So how can you find products being sold on Amazon? It's very simple. You can easily find any product through looking or filtering in the search results. Let's get started. So I'm on Amazon.ae right now and I typed in the keyword women's clothes. So I'm gonna go further into the categories and I'm gonna choose women's t-shirts. Once I do that, I'll be able to filter a little bit more. So let's go down and find the seller. And as you can see here, I can choose Amazon US, Amazon UK, or what I'm gonna choose is Amazon UAE or Amazon.ae. And now I can find products not only being sold by Amazon, but products being sold by Amazon locally, the local Amazon. So let's check this one to show you this product in particular, to show you exactly how you can figure out if the product is being sold by Amazon if you don't follow the same mechanism. So this is a brand called styleville.in. So let's just choose a size so that the buy box opens up. In case you didn't know, this is what is known as the buy box. The buy box normally contains the add to cart and buy now button and also contains how the product is being shipped. So in this case, it's Amazon.ae, which basically means it is FBA, and it is being sold by Amazon.ae. So this is a product being sold by Amazon. Now, Amazon is selling this product, but is it actually a good product for you to sell? Now that we have discovered the way of how you can find products being sold by Amazon, now is the time for us to validate whether this product can be something that is interesting for you to sell. Of course, we're not competing head to head with Amazon because this is not a product under the Amazon brand and customers buying it don't really know who they are buying it from. However, since Amazon operates on a data-driven basis, it means that they heavily rely on one major factor, and that's price. See, Amazon operates on a system known as dynamic pricing. Amazon uses the dynamic pricing system, which basically means the price is dynamic and not stagnant and is influenced by supply and demand, time of the day, week or year, or even customer demographics and behavior. Amazon is constantly changing the prices, increasing and decreasing, depending on this strategy. One way to figure out how much you should sell the product for if you want to sell something similar is to look at the pricing structure and follow up. We can do that using Helium 10. Let me show you. So if you go down to the middle of the listing, because I have Helium 10 Chrome extension actually open on my browser. If you haven't started using Helium 10, you will find a discount code right here on the screen or in the description box of this video. As you can see here, Helium 10 kind of analyzes what the sales rank is and what the new price as well as the list price. Before I look at this, let me explain to you what sales rank is in case you don't know. So Amazon have created a great system called BSR or bestseller rank, which is available for all the products that are listed on Amazon. If you go into the listing itself and scroll to the middle of the page, you'll find bestseller rank under additional information.
Now, the product here, the main category for this product is pet supplies. You'll know that it's the main category because next to it you always see top 100 in pet supplies as an example. And the subcategory, which is more relevant for this product, is dog beds. So, pet supplies is obviously a very large category, and this product is more of a dog bed. So, you always have a main category, which encompasses generally what the product is, and then a subcategory, which is more relevant to what the product really is. So, right here, the product is number one in the subcategory, which means it's the best selling product under under the category dog beds, and it's number 25 in pet supplies.
Coming back to this, as you can see, you can easily clarify and see what the selling prices is. So we're looking at the past 30 days. I would highly recommend that you look at the 90-day or 1 year. So let's open 90 days. So at the 90 days, you can see, remember, the lower the sales rank, the more sales the product is getting. And we're able to recognize and see whenever Amazon is changing the price. So as you can see here, the product is being sold at 38 dirhams and it's doing okay. It's actually some days it's doing, some weeks it's doing much better than others. And at 38 dirhams, it hits a very, very low at 400 sales rank for the fashion category. And what they decide to do is increase the price. So they increased the price to 47 dirhams instead of 38, about 10 dirhams. And then, as you can see, it keeps selling and then it slows down. What they decide to do once it hits the 8,000 sales rank is they decide to lower the price again to 38 dirhams. Same thing happens, it increases a little bit and then it starts decreasing again. And you could find a pattern because what happens is as soon as it hits below 1,000 BSR, what happens is they tend to increase the selling price. In this case, they didn't wait that long. They just increased it again to 47. At 47, it sold, not so much. And then at 40, they increased it to 40, which is not that big of a deal. They increased it again to 47. Maybe they were running out of stock and then it wasn't doing so well. They decreased it back to 38. So as you can see, if you follow this pattern, you'll see the selling price is normally anywhere between 47 and 38 dirhams, with the product selling much, much better when it's at 38 dirhams. Right now, it's being sold at 32 dirhams as me filming this video, but this is because it's on the Ramadan sale. So this is how you can analyze what you will be competing against when it comes to selling prices and how low your selling prices need to be. If this is something that you can do, if you can sell at this low selling price, then this potentially can be a product that you can sell. Now that you know how to find products being sold by Amazon, let me know in the comment section below, would you sell a product being sold by Amazon or would you avoid it? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.